Right. So I got my admin password and pasted over here. Admin username. But that this is the default one. So you can give admin and then uh, corresponding admin password, right? So now I give sign in. So now the Jenkins working on the local host. So welcome to Jenkins. So we are done with the Jenkins installation, right? So going forward, in other sessions, we will look how we are going to create the Jenkins job and how we are going to create, yeah, as I said, how we are going to create Jenkins job. All that we will be seeing as part of other sessions. Thank you.